welcome to part 2. So I'm going to just make a copy, rename that to 2, and it's going to be fairly similar. I'll just use a different way of doing these flanges. So I'm going to suppress this, and instead of just this, I am going to add the flanges in here. So G for rectangle, this is 3.75 over 2 by 1, and this one is going to be 1.5 by 2. And you know what, we're gonna do a line here, starting on the midpoint, go here, and this is going to be 2.5 over 2, and that will help us for locating that hole. Actually, I should really, if I want to do that, I should create a circle to be able to pick it directly. We could also put the hole in the flange, but actually I meant to show that last time, but it's not quite best practice. So the reason I wanted to do it this way is to show a different way of doing it, which is maybe a bit more similar to what you might be used to if you've used another CAD package, is using the custom feature called Shaped Flange. And what that lets you do is pick a shape. Sometimes you have to give it an edge if it doesn't automatically find it. And repeat, pick this one, this edge. And this can be, when you have, especially if you have flanges with strange shapes or whatever, this can be a quicker way of doing it, fewer clicks for sure. And the rest is basically the same, really. We're gonna have to fix, so that hole, I am going to pick, actually, you can probably just pick this point here. And then I just have to reverse, no, it recognizes that. And then obviously fix the fillets, because those flanges are new features. And the mirror lost its reference. And here we go. So that's a different way of doing it. Let's make sure we didn't mess it up. Oh, lost the material. Somehow, seen this before. Sometimes some features will basically change the body, this internal reference. And you might have to reassign the material, but here we go. These are two options, very similar. I'll put a link to the Shaped Flange custom feature in the description. Very, very useful. It really should be one of the standard tools in Onshape, but once you know it's there, it can really help. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. I'll do the third one in a different video because it's getting a bit long, and that one's my favorite. So see you soon for the next one.